Hello, soul family. So, today morning, when I was discussing certain things with my mentor, I realized that I do have social media presence trigger points. Okay. And I need to work upon it. Okay. So, I got this download, I got this channel message that I should share certain things with you. Okay. Now, what are trigger points spiritually? Okay. Whatever little knowledge I do have, I'm sharing it with you. These are my personal experiences. Okay, or take it how it resonates with you. So basically what happens is whenever somebody says something, or you visit some place, or you hear something, okay, and that certain thing, okay, triggers maybe fear, maybe guilt, anger, sadness inside you. Okay, so these certain things are called as trigger points. I'll just give you an example. If suppose you are standing in a queue outside the store, okay, you want to buy something. Last time when you were standing in the queue, wanted to buy something, and till the time you reach to the store, and that certain thing got sold out. Okay, now this thing has happened in the past, but right now when you are standing in the queue, you feel that what if the same thing will happen, what if whatever I have come to buy for, that thing will also get sold out. Now this has started creating, increasing your anxious attitude. Okay, that fear. Okay, fear of uncertainty kind of thing. Okay, what will happen, what if. Okay, these things got started happening inside you. Another example, I'll share it with you. Somebody, one of your friend is sharing his or her breakup with you. Okay, now you are hearing, you are listening to them, okay, their story, what has happened, but this particular thing has got triggered inside you about your last breakup or about your current relationship, and you started feeling insecure about your current relationship, which right now might be feeling very good, might be going very well. Okay, but still, after listening to their story, you got triggered about your past experiences. Okay, and you started feeling, what if the same thing will happen with me in the past. Okay, so we all have these kind of trigger points. It may vary person to person, but yes, we as in human being on this earth, we all have got these trigger points. Okay, now how we need to work upon these trigger points. First of all, recognize them. Recognize that yes, you need to work upon certain things, maybe fear, guilt, anger, shame, guilt, anything and everything. Okay, you are, second thing, you recognize that these things you are carrying inside you. I don't know, maybe days, months, years together. Okay, it could have happened with you in your childhood. Okay, but right now, still at this age also, you are carrying that childhood trauma inside you. Okay, which is still getting triggered by seeing your, maybe your grandchildren. Okay, that is also quite possible. So first of all, you need to recognize these things. Okay, that I am carrying certain emotions inside me, certain fears inside me, which I need to face them. Second thing is, you need to face them. Maybe acknowledging. Okay, you need to acknowledge them. First is recognize them, second is acknowledge them. Yes, I do accept, I'm a human being. I might not have that that all set life. Okay, and certain things have happened with my in my life, and I get triggered by these things. Okay, so acknowledge these things. First is recognize, second is acknowledge this. Maybe you can write it down, maybe you can accept these things, maybe you can talk about these things openly. Maybe you can talk about these things with your mentor, with your spiritual friend, guide, or maybe your near and dear ones, maybe your parents, maybe your friends, anyone. Okay, but have a talk about it. Maybe you can write it down and have a talk about it. Why you should do this? Because this process, okay, this process will bring inner feelings on the surface. It's like showing you the mirror. This is you, this is what you feel. Okay, it is not about asking somebody's opinion. Okay, it is not asking about somebody's opinion that I feel something and what you feel about this, what is your opinion. No, we don't need opinions. Okay, we don't need opinions. It is just that we need to share certain things, we need to share this trigger point, so that we ourselves get to know that yes, we do have carrying these emotions inside me which are getting poisoned inside me. Okay, so first is recognize, second is acknowledge, third is surrender. Okay, third is surrender. Now I don't mean surrender by means that you have to just surrender to the things and you don't have to work upon it. No, you have to work upon it, but how you should work upon it? Now you have already recognized and acknowledged these things. Now start the healing process. Okay, so healing process should start. Okay, and this should happen when you will surrender to the eternity, to the God, to the divine. Whatever has happened with me in the past at that very moment, maybe just standing in the queue, or maybe my relationship has broke off, or maybe I had childhood trauma, maybe like me I had social media presence trigger point. I need to still evaluate that thing, but yes. So whatever has happened with me in my life, okay, that those things have happened with me by God's wish. Okay, that was some certain things have supposed to happen, that was destined. Okay, now at this very moment, can I go back and change the things? Unfortunately, no one can do that. Okay, it is not like that we can go back and erase or delete certain things. Okay, we can't do that. So now at this very moment, what we can do, we can just surrender. Okay, that yes, God, divine, universe, eternity, whatever has happened, okay, has happened, must have happened according to your wish. Okay, and I should learn lesson from that point. Okay, from that trigger point, from that incident, from that anything, what has triggered inside me. Okay, so you need to surrender, you need to accept things. Okay, you need to start healing process, you need to start the healing process. You need to forgive others. What if I had a relationship breakup? What if I had a traumatic childhood? What if I do not share good relationship with my parents, or anything and everything? Okay, like in my case, what if somebody comments on my post and post negative comments? Okay, those negative comments should not trigger me. Okay, because it is up to me what I should value, whether I should value the positive good points, or whether I should follow, I should value the negative points. Okay, in my case I'm just sharing it with you. So you need to you actually need to start healing and forgive and forgetting. I'm not saying that you should forget these things in one day. No, it's a process, it's a process. But once you start the healing process, okay, you will start feeling good. Okay, and next time you, and this is a process. Okay, it is not that overnight certain things will happen and you will start feeling good. No, that thing won't happen. And don't rush yourself, don't force yourself, okay, to feel good. Okay, no, you cannot and you should not. Okay, so once you start recognizing, acknowledging, surrendering, healing process, okay, you will start feeling, you will start recognizing that next time somebody says something to you, these things no more trigger you. Okay, these things no more trigger you. So my dear friend, this is very important for you. Why these things are important to you, why we should heal our trigger points to live better happy life. Okay, spiritually, as a normal human being also, it is very much important, not for others. Okay, whatever I'm sharing it with you, it is not for others, it is only for your good sake. Okay, for your betterment. So start healing, start recognizing trigger points. Okay, that is very much important in life. Yeah, as I'll work upon my trigger point. Okay, so you should also. Okay, and may my higher self bless you. Have a happy, healthy, spiritual life. Thank you so much.